Hi everyone, welcome to Data Structures and Algorithm Playlist. This is the first lecture in which I'm going to discuss the basics of Java. Alright, so what Java is? Java is a programming language and computing platform first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language. And the students who are watching this video, I'm expecting that you are a bit aware about the object-oriented programming language. If you are not, please go through the basics of this concept because object-oriented is the prereq of data structures and algorithms. Okay. So Java is an interpreted language. This is the runtime architecture. As I mentioned earlier, Java is an interpreted language. You can see over here when we write a Java code, this Java code is compiled to bytecode. So it basically compiles it to bytecode rather than the machine code. So this makes the application portable between the platforms without recompiling. The tools I'm going to use is JDK and Visual Studio Code. All right, so let's see the first program in Java, that is Hello World. All right, so for coding purpose, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let's click on this open folder and you can find this option over here. On the leftmost corner, you are having the file option. When you click this file option, you will have this drop-down menu and here you go. You can click on this open folder. I'm navigating to desktop. Let's click on this new folder and name this folder as Java app. And I'm selecting this option. That folder. All right. Now you can see over here, this folder is right now empty and I'm creating new file by clicking this option. And let's name this file as Java first .java. And this is the extension of Java file. Excuse me. Keyboard is not visible to me. All right. So here we are having the file. Let me zoom in. In Java, all the code is written inside a class. So I have written a class keyword. After the class keyword, we will write the class name. And remember that class name and the file name should be same. So the file name is Java first. So I am naming this class as Java first. Now we are having the opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. This is basically the body or the block of the class. Inside this, I'm creating a main method. I just type main and press enter, and Visual Studio automatically complete this method. Now, don't worry, this method is having a lot of different keywords. Might be you are not aware about these keywords. We will discuss in further classes, okay? This is the public keyword and then static and then void. Void means this method is going to return as nothing or going to return as null. This is the name of the method, and within the round bracket, we are having the parameter that is an array of a string type. Inside this main method, I'm writing a statement system out and press enter, and Visual Studio automatically completed this statement. Why we have this main method? Because Java always starts its execution from this main method. You have to write this main method and have to write all the code inside this main method. And keep in mind, this main method should be defined inside this class, not outside the class. All right. So this is the system.out.println statement that is used to print the output on the screen. And here we are just printing hello world. We are passing a string that is hello world inside these double quotes. Now let's run this, and there you go. You can see here the output hello world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.